In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify customer support. Whether you're a new user on Shopify or you've been around for a while, there might come a time when you need a little extra assistance. So, let's dive right in and talk about how to reach out to their support team effectively. First things first, you'll want to open your internet browser and go directly to Shopify's website by typing in shopify.com. Once you've arrived on their homepage, take a moment to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here, you'll find the footer navigation items, which can often be packed with useful links and resources. As you scan through the footer, keep an eye out for an option labeled Support. Within this section, you'll notice a link to the Shopify Help Center. It's sort of like a library or resource center loaded with assistance articles and FAQs. Clicking on this link will direct you to their Help Center, where much of the groundwork for resolving simple inquiries has already been laid out. Once you're on the Help Center page, you'll be greeted by Shopify's AI assistant. This AI is quite handy for answering a wide range of questions and guiding you through common issues. If you're dealing with a straightforward problem, this might just be the easiest and quickest way to find a solution. However, I get it. Sometimes you really just want to talk to a person, and there is a way to do just that. If your issue seems a bit too complex for the AI, or if you simply prefer human interaction, what you need to do is look for the option that says, Chat with us. The button is typically located underneath the AI's response or prompts. Clicking on Chat with Us will connect you to Shopify's live support team, depending on their availability. These team members are trained to handle more nuanced questions and can provide you with personalized help that the AI might not be able to offer. After that, you're all set and ready to communicate directly with Shopify's customer service representatives. The process is pretty straightforward, but taking these steps can save you time and get you the most effective help possible. To sum up, accessing Shopify's customer support is a simple, efficient process that starts at their main website and guides you through to finding exactly the help you need. Whether it's a quick assistance through their AI or a more detailed interaction with a real person, Shopify offers the necessary support tools to help you keep your business running smoothly. So there you have it, a complete guide to connecting with Shopify customer support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.